So on what grounds can somebody actually challenge a probate or a will? We're doing a lot of internal training with my team right now, and I actually created a whole new system for us to be able to easily sort of pick from a list. What are all the different reasons we can challenge a probate if we see something's not really going as it should? And we came up. I have about well, it's about 2 dozen things on that list and those are basically the 20 to 24 ways that somebody can screw up a probate if they're handling it without doing things the right way. Generally, the big categories fall into things like the whatever will or trust, or maybe even like a beneficiary deed, or somebody has a joint account, all those types of places where somebody says I leave it to you at my death, or you're the joint owner, or it's right of survivorship. All of those types of documents are things that can be attacked for something called undue influence. That's a big one. Or you could attack it for lack of capacity. You could say they didn't understand what they were signing, even if nobody was influencing them. Maybe they had dementia, Alzheimer's, or something else that was causing them to not be able to understand what they were signing. So those are some common things. Also, if the person in charge is going through, he has a will that is valid or a trust that is valid, can you still challenge it? If they aren't doing things correctly, yeah, you can. And the big one there is called breach of fiduciary duties. What does that mean? Well, it basically means that if you're the executor or the trustee, you are legally obligated to do the job correctly. So, you got to do steps 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way through the very end. Do them legally, do them correctly. Don't mess it up because you're legally liable. And so if you don't do things correctly, then that's where you can challenge what they're doing. Sometimes we've seen people, the trustees try to like, oh, I'm going to sell the house to my best friend for a discount. And then, then I can get it from them later. That's a breach of fiduciary duty. So those are the big ways to challenge or contest a probate.